Master the science, the technique of throwing a single. So you go, boom, you're gonna hear. Like even for that one, for me, that one on the spot. So I gotta make sure it's right there. So it makes me get under. And that's gonna make your body punching more effective. Boom. Boom. Now I know I'm getting into the body. So if I go in here and I hit them, I know the mechanics. So first you do, now do me the right, boom. So I'm going in there, boom. So I know I know what it gotta feel like. You gotta be off my hip, boom, and I gotta go in there, bam, and I gotta be right here, boom. So now that's singles. Now I got to know how to do it double. So I gotta go one pop, pop. That's isolated. Pop, pop. And now I got to put them together. Pop, pop. So I got to know I can pop, pop. Pop, pop. I got to be able to pop, pop. Got to put them together. And then I got to be able to do it in the combination. Yeah. And that makes a good body puncher. All right, to learn those type drills, if you don't have those drills, skills development, you can get that like in our Mid-Master 2 series, or you can get those drills in our 6 weeks training camps. Coaches, be on your game, man. Be blessed. Godspeed. Master Boxing.